Hey guys, Alyssa here. So today I received a package from the lovely Lavished by Nature. They were so kind enough to send me out some products, and I am honestly excited to try them because my skin needs it. So I'm going to go ahead and tell everybody what I got inside. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first item I'm going to talk about is the Calendula Lemongrass Glowing Facial Soap. It is lavish with soothing calendula petals, cleansing lemongrass, and moisturizing goat's milk. These ingredients have been known to be great for fading blemishes, acne-prone, dry, and aging skin. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to talk about the Orange Turmeric Brightening Body Soap. This lavish soap is a must-have for soft, glowing skin. We have infused the soap with shea butter, turmeric, orange, and tea tree oils. These ingredients have been known to be great for fading blemishes, treating skin irritations, clearing acne, and calming eczema. The glowing facial soap, I'm excited to try because I do have blemishes, as you can see. And they don't want to go nowhere. So I hope this really works for my skin. I'm excited to try it. I'm basically going to try it tonight and go ahead and get a starter on it. And just like the face soap, I do have blemishes on my shoulder as well, on both sides. I suffer from acne. You know, if you have acne, you're gonna have acne, so it's a lose-lose. But it's on both sides, so I'm excited to try that turmeric and orange soap as well. Alright, so the next soap I'm going to talk about is the Rosemary Lavender Hair and Body Soap. The lavender and rosemary essential oils have been known to stimulate skin cell renewal, soften skin and hair, and promote hair growth. I've never used the bar soap shampoo or kind of a soap like that is kind of for like shampoo in my hair before, so I'm excited to see how that works in my hair. Alright, the fourth soap I'm going to talk about is the Peppermint Tea Tree Pumice Exfoliating Soap. I don't know if I said that right. Pumice? Let me know. This moisture-rich soap is lavished with ground pumice stone and shea butter to effectively soften and remove dead skin. It also has peppermint and tea tree oils, which are known to enhance its antibacterial and healing properties. Alright, and the last item I'm going to talk about is the Moisturizing Body Oil in the Cotton Blossom Scent. This is an all-natural, vegan, long-lasting fragrance and also refreshes and hydrates skin. The ingredients are sweet almond oil, shea, avocado oil, sunflower oil, fragrance oil, and vitamin E. You can also smooth lavishly onto wet or dry skin and use daily for best results. Now these products are all natural and of course are made by nature itself. If you like all natural products or are trying to find all natural products, make sure you check them out as well. And thank you guys for watching. If you want more of these unboxings and like them, comment down below, give a like. I enjoy doing them, so I'll do them for you guys. But until the next unboxing, that was so cringy. Sorry about that. But yeah, until the next unboxing, I'll see you guys. Until then, bye.